Already dug some pretty big holes. Here, I'll just hook on to another recovery and some sand dunes out here by the salt flats. So we're out here by where they harvest the salt. All these big salt ponds. Got Caleb and Dad in front of us in the blue diesel, and I'm in the 8-1. Looks like a pretty easy one. Probably throw a yankum rope on him, pull him out. It's a truck with a couple of dirt bikes or something in the back, stuck in the sand. Not too bad. Build up these berms to keep the water and the salt from flowing away. It must be right over there.
Your destination is on the right.
Huh. There he is. Right there. Let's see. This road is blocked off for some reason. Wonder why. Let's take a look. It's like the one little sandy spot all around here.
I know.
Little shooting range area or something right there.
Nice to meet you.
There you go.
I'm Ben.
Ben. Nice to meet you.
Oh.
It's Phil, my dad.
Phil, how's it going? Yeah, got myself in a bit of a pickle.
At least it's got a tow point on that side.
Might have made it if the tires didn't. Well, we could just hook up my winch right there. We're pointed in the right
Yeah,
direction.
it's a straight pull. A rope would probably be okay, but he might be sitting on the frame pretty good.
Is this yours?
No. Don't think so.
We'll clean that up. Take it out of here. All right, well.
Yeah, probably just hook onto it right there and drag it up, because you can pull them all the way to the top right here. Then it's a straight shot for him out. Free spool.
Should we put those tires in?
It doesn't matter, we'll just throw them with the ones at the shop. I think this 17.5 Smitty built Gen 2 pulls out as easily as that stupid Badlands 5500 I had.
Oh no, I think this is easier.
It might be.
Remember, it was two of us on that Samurai.
Yeah, that was
Four-wheeler recovery.
ridiculous. Okay.
An open hook?
It is. Just a little more. Nope, this has an open hook I can go on right there. So we're hooked up now. Yep. I said, nope, it has an open hook, so I can just put the loop on it. There we go. Okay, are you in 4?
Yeah, 4 low.
Okay.
You mean drive?
Yep, in drive. Just a tiny bit of throttle, not much. We don't want to spin the tires, but just help out the winch just a hair. Yep, just like that. A little less throttle. We don't want to spin the tires and dig down. Want it to stay on top. Okay, just wait for the winch to catch up. We'll pull all the way up to where it's on the flat spot. It came off. Okay.
Alright, we started a YouTube channel about 2 years ago, so we've been recovering
Just a little bowl there. That's good there. Yeah. What's nice about these Yankum ropes, fair leads, that fits in there nice and tight, protects the winch line because it's back behind whatever you're gonna hit and scrape on.
It's soft though.
Yeah. Block. You're not, there's nothing turning in the front. Yeah, you're still in two-wheel drive. There you go. Well, they already dug some pretty big holes. Here, I'll just hook onto you before that hub totally gives up.
Yeah, we gotta fix that hub.
Yeah.
Today. It's a today thing.
Yep. That bar is kind of handy.
Yeah. I really like it.
There's lots of places to attach to.
Yeah, now I'm thinking, you know, I've got the bars up here for if we want to hook a winch back to it.
Yeah.
We can grab all around there and
and the sliders on the side and these on the back. There's places to attach to everywhere on this.
And with the winches, I was really happy we got to use the side winches the other day.
Yeah.
It worked really good.
Okay. So, you just gonna back straight out, or?
Yeah.
It's only right there, so I'll get out of the way. Walking off over the road to go in. Just don't want to get too close to that. Just turn left and go forward through it. Oh.
It's just that the rear was spinning in the air.
I really hope that's only a hub. Because we're heading to the games tomorrow.
Alright.
If you come out to places like this to play around, shooting, dirt biking, ATVs, four-wheeling, don't leave your garbage out here. There's literally trash everywhere back in there. Cans and bags and boxes and tires. That's not cool. Pack it out. We'll take those back and dispose of them. Dad's got bags he's picking up and filling full of cans. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff that gets all these areas closed. The disrespect and litter and garbage. Well, we're gonna go ahead. Oh, there's some more over here. We're gonna go ahead and pack up and head back. It's time to go to work. And we gotta change a hub, at least, on the blue diesel. These beer cans, nasty. Cool.
Bombs for the core.
All right. Well, we're headed to work now. So, catch you guys later.
We gotta go fix a hub.
Yeah.